Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll take you on a captivating journey through the history of one of the most prestigious awards in the film industry, the Oscar Awards. So grab your popcorn and get ready to dive into the fascinating beginnings of the Oscars.
Introduction to the Oscar Awards.
We begin our journey by introducing the Oscar Awards and their significance in the world of filmmaking. The Oscars, officially known as the Academy Awards, are an annual event hosted by the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences, AMPAS, to honor outstanding achievements in the film industry. Let's explore how it all began.
Founding of the Academy.
Our story commences in 1927 when the Academy of Motion Picture Arts and Sciences was founded. Led by prominent film producer Louis B. Mayer and other industry professionals, the Academy aimed to elevate the industry's public image and establish a professional organization for the advancement and recognition of filmmaking.
The inaugural ceremony.
On May 16, 1929, the first ever Academy Awards ceremony took place at the Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel in Los Angeles, California. It was a modest affair, with approximately 270 guests in attendance, and the ceremony lasted a mere 15 minutes.
Evolution and expansion.
As the film industry flourished, so did the Academy Awards. Over the years, the Oscars underwent significant growth and expansion. New categories were introduced to recognize various aspects of filmmaking, including acting, directing, writing, and technical achievements. This expansion reflected the changing landscape of the industry and allowed for broader recognition of talent.
Broadcasting and global reach.
In the early 1930s, the Academy Awards embraced the power of radio broadcasting, allowing audiences beyond the venue to experience the excitement of the ceremony. Then, in 1953, the Oscars made their television debut, captivating viewers worldwide. The televised broadcast expanded the global reach of the awards, making them accessible to millions.
Changes in the voting system.
The Academy Awards continuously refined their voting system to ensure fairness and accuracy. From paper ballots to the introduction of electronic voting, the process evolved to adapt to changing times and technological advancements. These changes have enhanced the credibility and integrity of the Oscars.
Significance and legacy.
Winning an Oscar award is a crowning achievement in the film industry. The recognition bestowed upon the recipients often leads to increased visibility, career opportunities, and artistic validation. The Oscars have become a symbol of excellence, celebrating the artistry, passion, and dedication of filmmakers. As we conclude our journey through the history of the Oscar Awards, we reflect on the enduring legacy of this prestigious event. From its humble beginnings to the grand spectacle it is today, the Oscars have shaped the film industry, honoring the past, present, and future of cinema. The Academy Awards continue to captivate audiences worldwide, serving as a testament to the power of storytelling and the magic of filmmaking. We hope you enjoyed this captivating exploration of the origins of the Oscar Awards. If you found this video informative and entertaining, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content.